are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. Can you tell us a bit about beaches in Cameroon?
Wow, Cameroon is a very nice country.
Yeah.
And in terms of beaches, I think they are the best.
Yeah.
For instance, we have beaches in the southwest region,
Yeah.
which is Limbe.
Yeah.
You can go to Seme Beach. You have Timi Hotel. In fact, every hotel
Yeah.
in the southwest has beaches, especially in Limbe.
Yeah.
You can go to Idi now.
Yeah.
You can also have some beaches there. There is also in the south region,
Yeah.
in Kudi.
Okay.
You can also have some beaches there.
Okay.
And it is very nice because when you go there, you don't only go swimming,
Yeah.
but there is the possibility to eat roasted fish or grilled fish
Yeah.
directly taken from the sea, from the
Yeah.
ocean. I tell you, you just have to go and take it. It is very, very
Okay. All right. And what about festival in Cameroon? Do you know some of them?
Yeah, I know some festival in Cameroon. For instance, you have the Ngoni. That is the festival for Bamut people.
Yeah.
And these people are part of the Western region.
Yeah.
You also have the Gono,
Yeah.
which is the festival for the Sawa people.
Yeah.
It's usually done in Douala,
Yeah.
the Buri River. And
Okay.
you have the Nyem Nyem, which is found in the northern region of Cameroon.
Okay. Do you have any other thing that you could suggest to tourists that are coming in Cameroon?
Yeah, in Cameroon, you know, Cameroon is a very nice country, first of all.
Yeah.
Secondly, Cameroon has one of the largest forests
Yeah.
in Central Africa.
Yeah.
There are green pastures in Cameroon. There are still virgin forests in Cameroon that you can visit.
Yeah.
You also have so many parks.
Yeah.
For example, the Waza Park.
Yeah.
And you have so many gardens.
Yeah.
Like the Botanic Garden. What they call in French le Jardin Saint Anastasie in Yaoundé.
Yeah. Okay. And what about Mount Cameroon? Can they go hiking there?
Yeah, it's a very good place for hiking.
Yeah. Okay.
You know, in fact, at every stage there is like somewhere where they can rest. There are like small houses where they can rest. So they must not go up and come down the same way. No. If they decide to go hiking there, it would be a very good idea. Because at every stage, at every level, there will be like a place to enable them to spend the night and continue to on.
Okay. Now can you say welcome to tourists in your mother tongue? Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.